Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Nyrius Aries Prime Wireless Video HDMI Transmitter. The Nyrius Aries Prime Wireless HDMI Transmitter enables you to watch what you want by streaming from your laptop or any HDMI device to your TV in razor-sharp, uncompressed 1080p high-definition video with absolutely no loss in picture quality. It's like an invisible HDMI cable. While optimized for use with laptops, the Aries Prime Media Streaming Stick wirelessly connects any HDMI device to your HD TV or projector. Unlike other streaming sticks, the Prime is true HDMI mirroring. What you see on your HDMI source is exactly what you see on your TV in real time. The powerful, high-speed digital signal won't interfere with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or any other wireless network. It also has a very compact design suited for all kinds of devices such as laptops, UAV drones, and other streaming cameras. This device helps you eliminate cable boxes and provides you ultimate streaming experience. This device also supports gaming devices, since it claims to provide zero latency, which I will test in my review later. You will get the next level of video gaming experience from your PS4 or Xbox. This comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and support. Pros: easy to set up, zero latency lag, compatible with most devices, excellent video and audio quality. Cons: the range is only 100 foot. Number 2. ScreenBeam Wireless Transmitter and Amp Receiver. If the coverage area is a concerning factor for you, then pay close attention to a couple of options present onwards on this list. The following option from ScreenBeam also offers a wide coverage area within a compact form factor. If you are going all the way towards the most simplistic setup you can design, you should go with the ScreenBeam My Wireless TV2 Wireless HD Transmitter. Unlike most other options on this list, the ScreenBeam My Wireless TV2 Wireless HD Transmitter features a compact design with no external antennas. This transmitter is capable of offering wireless signals up to 150 feet distance at 1080p resolution. The ScreenBeam My Wireless TV2 Wireless HD Transmitter also supports 5.1 surround sound transmission, so that you get a high audio quality along with video quality. And since the device works on its own network, you won't need an active internet connection, or even a local Wi-Fi connection at all to use the ScreenBeam My Wireless TV2 Wireless HD Transmitter. Also, the My Wireless TV2 receiver has universal support for remotes, allowing you to use your existing remote with the device. Best features: it has up to 150 feet coverage range. It supports 1080p resolution video output. HDMI connections are supported. Universal remote support. Number 3. Nyrius Aries Wireless HDMI Transmitter/Receiver. If you are after a device that will be suitable for PC gaming or games consoles, then this may be for you. Featuring low latency of less than 1 millisecond, control inputs remain responsive, making gaming possible via wireless transmission. Produced by Nerius, this product has a line-of-sight transmission distance of up to 100 feet, 30 meters. As with any radio signal, this will be reduced when having to penetrate walls or travel up to another floor level. The signal sent by the device is uncompressed, which is what allows for such low latency. Instead of having to compress the signal at the transmission end and then decompress again at the receiver end, the signal is transmitted as is. This allows for a quality picture and audio signal. Resolutions of up to full HD 1080p are possible. For the audio, you don't need to worry about lost quality either. Dolby Digital is supported up to 7.1 channels. This is not a dual-band radio frequency device. It does, however, use the less congested 5G frequency. Transmitting at 5.9 GHz, you can be assured of a reliable and stable signal for whatever device you are transmitting. Pros: low latency is great for gaming. IR remote control compatible. Uncompressed signal transmitting at 5.9 GHz. Cons: less transmission distance than other devices. Number 4. JTech Digital 1x2 Wireless HDMI Extender. The JTech Digital Wireless Extender provides full compatibility with HDMI signals up to 1080p Full HD. The innovative 1x2 function allows you to wireless split HDMI signals to broadcast over two TVs. It does not require a line-of-sight placement, so you can keep your home theater devices neatly out of sight. Compared with the single antenna version, the dual antenna version has improved data transmission rate and video stability. JTech is the most powerful wireless HDMI extender on the market. Extend an HDMI audio-video signal wireless up to 200 feet 61 meters through interior drywall and other obstructions. It supports two receivers so you can swiftly transfer from one device to another when watching videos. It's also known for its 20 to 60 kHz wide-frequency IR control extension, which basically allows you to control a device from another room using its remote control. However, because of its 0.3 to 0.5 latency, this device isn't ideal for gamers. This can be done using either a button on the transmitter unit or an online portal. The option to change channels manually provides a level of quick control that some individuals may prefer. Number 5. Nerius Wireless HDMI Transmitter/Receiver. Nerius is bringing the most advanced option that we have on this list of the best wireless HDMI transmitters. This option is best suited for those who seek perfection with their setup in terms of both aesthetics and quality. The Nyrius Aries Pro Wireless HDMI Transmitter is the most premium option that we chose for this list today. While it may cost almost twice as much as other options, the Nyrius Aries Pro Wireless HDMI Transmitter offers the perfect design with no antennas. On top of that, the transmitter of the Nyrius Aries Pro Wireless HDMI Transmitter set is smaller than the receiver itself and plugs directly into the HDMI port like a thumb drive. The same goes for the receiver that you can plug into the display device directly. But despite the compact design, the Nyrius Aries Pro Wireless HDMI Transmitter offers up to 100 feet coverage area, which is crucial for outdoor usage. The receiver can also pick up signals through walls or even floors, making the application even more versatile. Nerius is also promising zero latency, making it ideal for consoles. Best features. It has up to 100 feet coverage range. It supports 1080p resolution video output. HDMI connections are supported.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.